30 days from now, there will be two type of guys. The first, same body, same face, same boring routine, nothing changes. The second, almost unrecognizable, sharper jawline, stronger physique, good looks, and a whole new confidence. Just because they watched this video and took action. Which one do you want to be? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to transform yourself before October, in just 30 days. Now, if we're talking about 30 days, then we're going to eliminate all the things that take time, and we'll only select the ones that will produce results as soon as possible. Let's start. Reset your diet and mini-cut. Your diet is the most important thing for your glow-up. Start eating clean, whole foods, lean protein, and stop eating processed snacks. Don't think of it as a crash diet, but a reset. Do sprints 3 to 5 times a week at a steady pace. This simple habit burns fat, improves your mood, and boosts your testosterone so your body feels lighter and sharper in just weeks. Glow with skincare. Doing skincare is not gay. Be honest. Which one of these two photos look better? If you choose the second one, then you're right. Good skin instantly makes you stand out. Exfoliate once a week to remove dead skin and keep your face smooth. Stay hydrated with 2 to 3 liters of water every day because clear skin starts from inside. Take cold showers. They tighten your skin, wake you up, and leave you refreshed. And if you want that glowing look, then apply sunscreen and go for 10 minutes of safe sunlight daily. Get a healthy tan. Tanning pops out your muscles as well as your facial features more. Full body training routine. Don't overcomplicate your workouts. Focus on compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups because they work multiple muscle groups at once and speed up your progress. Mix in body weight moves like planks, lunges, and pull-ups to build functional strength. And don't skip leg day. Training your legs produces testosterone, which balances your physique and makes your upper body look more proportionate. Grooming. Looking sharp is about details. Trim your beard or neckline, keep your nails clean, and tidy up your eyebrows by using a face razor. Go the extra step. Remove stray nose or ear hair, exfoliate your lips to get rid of that dry, chapped lips, and make sure your hairstyle suits your face. Grooming is what separates average from well put together. Optimize sleep and recovery. Sleep is where transformation happens. Set a consistent schedule and stick to it. Shut off screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Blue light worsens your sleep quality. Most of your testosterone production takes place while you sleep. If your sleep is messed, so will your overall health. Keep your room cool, because a slightly colder environment helps you fall into deep sleep. When you sleep well, you don't just feel better, you look noticeably better. Cut out the junk. Remove the things that drag you down: fast food, soda, and late-night snacks. The result? Less bloating, more energy, and clearer skin, all within days. It's one of the fastest ways to look and feel different without spending a single dollar. Upgrade your smile and look. Your smile is the first thing people notice. Whiten your teeth with strips, pens, or a kit. It doesn't need to be perfect, just clean and bright. Add sea salt spray to your hair for an effortless, textured style that looks like you just came from the beach. And don't forget accessories. A bracelet, chain, or ring adds subtle personality without trying too hard. 8. Switch to a fresh, seasonal scent. Don't underestimate the power of fragrance. It's one of the first things people notice about you. If you're wearing a strong, heavy perfume, change it with something fresh and light, like citrus or ocean-type scents. Pick a fragrance that fits your style. Use a tongue scraper daily. After that, use a mouthwash to get rid of bad breath. Mental reset. A glow-up isn't just physical, it's mental. Practice gratitude every day. Write down what you're thankful for and your goals for the next 30 days. Cut out toxic habits and people that drain your energy. When your mind is clear and confident, it shows in how you walk, talk, and carry yourself. This was all that you can do to get the results as soon as possible. Do it consistently for 30 days and compare your progress. You will be shocked by the results. And if you do it for 30 days, you will develop a habit of doing them. And after 12 months, you can reach your model face. If you found this video valuable, then make sure to subscribe to support this channel.